Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to change your name on the application of REDnote. You will go to REDnote app. In this page, you will find here this sign of me and you will enter. After that, in this page, you will find this sign of edit profile and you will click. Then here in this window, as you see, you will find this sign of name. And here in this page, you will click in the sign to add your name or to change it like this. And then we click on confirm. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.